If you're experiencing audio desync issues in Apex Legends, follow these simple steps to resolve the problem. This guide will help you adjust your settings for a smoother gaming experience. Step 1. Open Apex Legends. Launch the game on your device. Wait for the main menu to load completely before proceeding to the next step. Step 2. Access Settings. Navigate to the Settings menu by clicking on the gear icon usually located in the lower right corner of the main menu. This will open the options for game settings. Step 3. Adjust Audio Settings. In the Settings menu, find the Audio tab. Look for options related to audio output, such as audio device or output device. Ensure that the correct audio device is selected for your headphones or speakers. Step 4. Change voice chat settings. Still in the Audio tab, locate the voice chat settings. Set the voice chat method to push to talk or adjust the voice chat volume. Sometimes tweaking these settings can help with audio synchronization. Step 5. Restart the game. After making the necessary adjustments, exit the settings and restart Apex Legends. This will apply the changes and may resolve any lingering audio desync issues. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the audio desync problem in Apex Legends. Enjoy your gaming experience.